This has to be the coolest electronic device of 2024. This thing is so freaking beautiful. So we're gonna unbox it and let me see what you guys think. I mean, I've been waiting for this for a few days and it arrived today. I mean, I'm just, ooh. When you see this thing, yeah, you know exactly what I mean. Design plays a very big part in stuff that I buy, right? It's gotta look good. This phone looks good. It's an iPhone 15 Pro Max, obviously titanium, absolutely beautiful. But this thing, man, I'm telling you, it's gonna blow your little minds. Okay, let's open this thing. I saw this at CES. I was like, yep, I'm getting that. That's before I even knew about the specs and stuff. So, wow, this is so well. Oh, it's upside down right now. Let's put it the right way up. Okay. Can you guys guess what it is yet? Oh, I need to stop myself. Oh my gosh. Can you guys guess what it is? Oh my gosh, this is too exciting. Clue, the box is cube shaped. And it's made by a company called LG. Can you guess what it is yet? Spin it around. Cinebeam laser 4K. It's got 3 lasers in it. Okay, let's open this. Ooh, I'm liking the cube box. Reminds me of the Apple Cube back in the day. Oh, it's not a speaker, people. God damn. Okay, definitely like that. Instruction manual. Nobody ever reads that, including me. Obviously, you know what this is. Oh my days. It is so beautiful. I've seen it already. And in here you got what probably looks like, I think these are mains, cables and stuff. Okay. You get batteries, bada bing, bada boom. Put that here. What else you get? What is this? It's a remote control, I think. You get 3 batteries as well. I gotta say, I'm not too infused with this remote control because bloody hell, that looks cheap AF. Can't believe it. That is a little bit disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. That looks like an afterthought, man. Oh my days. Okay, what else do we have in here? All right, we have, yeah, mains power cable. We're gonna need one of those. Damn, we've got a power brick. What is that? What is this? What in the world are these? Okay, we'll come back to those. I have no idea what those are. Let me just take everything out. And now, for the main event, people. Drum roll, please. Ooh, this is just next level. And it's absolutely tiny. Look at it. It's reassuringly solid. Look at this. Do you know what it is now, people? This, my friends, is an LG CineCube or CineQ 4K laser projector. This thing is incredibly beautiful. It's so well designed. It is tiny, but oh my days. I mean, look at that for design, yeah? What do you guys think? I mean, is that not freaking beautiful? Look at it. Every angle is beautifully put together. This kind of Apple design is so gorgeous. I love all these kind of like retro kind of styling. This is like a handle for it, so you can carry it like this, but also acts as a stand for it as well. So you can angle it using this. This is cool. Look at that. You can angle it like this. This thing's like barely bigger than my phone. I mean, it's the same height. Actually, my iPhone 15 Pro Max is actually taller than this. It's the same width. Oh my days, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. It is absolutely beautiful. So let's take off this piece of plastic. And it's off. Ooh, that is so beautiful. Look at that. You got obviously your lens on here. You got vents for your fan, the LG logo. Like I said, they're portable hand to carry it around and stuff. Also acts as a stand. And you got sensors here to help you obviously, how can I say, do keystoning and also to focus and stuff. You got vents on the top here, obviously for cooling. In the back here, there's a vent for a fan. You got your on-off switch here, gets the power in. You got USB-C, HDMI with eARC as well. You only get one. And what looks like a tiny little speaker, which I'm not gonna use. I don't know what that is, but I'm sure we're gonna find out at some point. Probably infrared sensor. You got a Kensington lock here. But look at all these little design details. Ooh, this is so beautiful. All right, so here is my brand new LG CineCube or CineQ projector. Let's talk about this remote control. I'm not gonna lie, this is terrible. I mean, for something as premium as this, and to be given this remote control to control it is a bit of a letdown. This looks to me like an afterthought, man. LG made this and just thought, you know what, let's just give it a remote control, and that just looks terrible. It's horrible. And they give you some batteries, okay? But that ain't gonna take away the whole, that does not go with this. Design is terrible. Let's put this in here. So this is a projector for watching movies, obviously. So damn, see, this is just like a pain to get off. Oh, that feels so cheap. Oh my gosh, this is, how could LG do this to me? Yeah, give me this nice bougie projector and then give me this like friggin' ghetto AF remote control. I mean, it feels horrible. Are these like rubber feet? I don't know. I have to come back to that. This is the main event. Okay, so you get a power brick. I kind of wish this power brick was actually inside. They could have made this bigger and house all this stuff inside, but they didn't do that for whatever reason. So there's your power brick right there. There's your power cable. The excitement is real, people. So power cable. Let's put that down here. I think this is everything that came in the box. Obviously, user manual that no one ever reads. So I guess in the next video, I'll be setting these up. Go through the whole setup process. Yeah, but that's it. Brand new LG CineCube or CineQ. Actually, fun fact, it was meant to be called a CineCube, but I dropped the cube bit and it's called a CineQ. So this will be my projector for watching movies, for when I travel, and also for here in the studio as well, because I think it looks absolutely amazing. Even if I don't use it yet, this looks really cool just to look at. It's absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys use projectors or do you guys use TVs? If you use TVs, what tech are you guys using? Is it OLED or is it like a LCD? It was either this or an OLED. I went for this because you get a much bigger picture in it, even though you get better quality imagery with the OLEDs. You get purer blacks and stuff, but this is a very small studio. This makes perfect sense, so I went for this. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and stay tuned and subscribe for when I do the setup and review of this beautiful piece of machine. LG, do more of this, yeah? Absolutely beautiful. LG CineQ. It's all brushed metal. That's so freaking cool. This thing is gorgeous. Does it have, oh no, there's no 1/4-20, so I can't put it on a stand. Well, that's gonna suck. I have to put it on a table like this. That's it. I'll see you on the next one.